धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
The Shatabdi Janma Mahotsava of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba has begun, dazzling with the brilliance of his glory. It is a celebration of the divine coming. When the Lord adorns a human form, we believe that he is just like us. But through his life and message, he reveals his true identity.
నేను సన్యాసిని కాదు, నేను యోగిని కాదు, నేను భోగిని కాదు, త్యాగిని కాదు, నేనే.
हमारे बहराइच के
ఈ నేను అనేటువంటి పదమే ఆత్మకు మొదటి పేరు.
The word avatar means descent from the state of the Atma to the level of the body. The advent was heralded 9 months prior through a mystical episode. A blue ball of light descended from the sky and entered the womb of Ishwaramma, the chosen mother. On 23rd November 1926, divinity descended for the ascent of man. Young Satyam performed many leelas like Lord Krishna. But what was the purpose of these leelas? He would later say, "Miracles or chamatkars are to draw you to me and bring about transformation, samskar, make your lives useful to others, which then leads to paropkar and ultimately to sakshatkar or self-knowledge." The divine darshan which he granted non-stop for over 60 years shone with all these stages of transformation. Frank Baranowski, an expert at studying human auras, was stunned when he witnessed Baba's darshan. Bhagwan's aura was of pure love that expanded beyond the reach of his sight. Awed by the vision, he declared, "He is love, walking on 2 feet." This divine love found expression in numerous and varied miracles, from the materializations to manifestations, from cures of physical and mental ailments, and even to the resurrection of many from death itself, a leela possible only for the omnipotent divine. Young Satyam showed his omnipresence at the Virupaksha temple at Hampi. Further, in his discourses, he would remind his devotees,
I am with you, in you, around you, behind you.
The Omniscient One, through his divine discourses and pithy quotations, revealed deep spiritual messages.
Because to know God is to know someone. There is only one God and Cheppan. He is omnipresent. There is only one language of the heart. There is only one caste of humanity. There is only one religion of love. Love is God. Live in love.
Bhakti is worship. Duty is God. Duty without love, deplorable. Duty with love, desire God. Love without duty is divine. God is love. Beauty is love. Destiny is love. Entity is love.
On 23rd November 1950, his 25th birthday, he inaugurated Prashanti Nilayam, the abode of supreme peace, which is the headquarters of his mission. Apart from Prashanti Nilayam, several mandirs came up in many cities of India and the world. As the number of devotees grew, he toured village to village through the length and breadth of Bharat, transforming the lives of lakhs of
ईश्वराम्बा प्रियतनया साई नारायणा ईश्वराम्बा प्रियतनया साई नारायणा ईश्वराम्बा प्रियतनया साई नारायणा ईश्वराम्बा प्रियतनया साई नारायणा साई नारायणा सत्यनारायणा साई भई साई जगत जननी अम्बा मंदहा सबदनी मनोहर साई जगत जननी माता 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 जगत जननी माता माता मायो साई कृष्णा अवतार लेकर मेरा दया गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दया मया विभूति सुंदर शशांक शेखर विभूति सुंदर शशांक शेखर साई शंकर दया करो साई शंकर दया करो साई शंकर कृपा करो साई शंकर कृपा करो गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दया मया गुरुदेवा प्रिय देवा साई देवा दया मया गोकुल नंदन साई गोपाला गोकुल नंदन साई गोपाला रघुकुल पान करो हर गुरुमति हरे पान करो हर गुरुमति ज्ञान प्रदान करो हर गुरुमति ज्ञान प्रदान करो हर गुरुमति जय 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 मां सरस्वती 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 हंस वाहिनी विद्यादायिनी हंस वाहिनी विद्यादायिनी हंस वाहिनी विद्यादायिनी जगत पालिनी वेद भवानी जगत पालिनी वेद भवानी जगत पालिनी वेद भवानी जगत पालिनी वेद भवानी कृपा करो साई नित कृपा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में अंतर ज्योति जला दो साई 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 जीवन ज्योति बाबा तुम हो 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 साई बाबा आओ मेरे कीर्तन में बाबा
तुमने बनाई शिरडी परते तुमने बनाई ब्रह्मांड ना बाबा वर्तिपुरेश्वर बाबा। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
प्रियवाक्य प्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जातवः। प्रियवाक्य प्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जातवः। तस्मात् तदेव कर्तव्यम्। तदा तस्मै कर्तव्यम्। वचनेक दरिद्रता प्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जातवः। तस्मात् तदेव कर्तव्यम्। तदा तस्मैव कर्तव्यम्। वचनेक दरिद्रता प्रियवाक्य प्रदानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति